What we do here is go back.
There's a bad Nova, right? This red bad Nova. I just found it. And yeah, I'm about to record a video for him. And yeah, let's see this pretty thing run down the street.
Welcome back to the channel. Got another video for y'all. Got this beautiful 69 Nova back here that I got to put vintage air on and put serpentine pulleys on it. It's not LS swapped. It's got a small block in it. It's original 3-speed car too, guys. Pretty clean. I'm gonna show y'all around and show y'all the car. But he brought it to me and he's wanting me to put vintage air on it, and it's got V-belt pulleys on it now, and he's wanting me to take all of those off and put a serpentine system on it, which is a six groove pulley system along with the vintage air. So let me show y'all the car, how nice it is. All right guys, this is a 69 Chevy 2. And the difference, guys, between the 70s, a lot of people might not know this, but the difference between the 70s and the 69s is this port light right here. The port light, the 70 port lights are longer. They're longer in the front and longer in the rear. One more thing that's different is the tail lights. The tail lights, the 69 had the backup light in the tail light right here, where the 70s got just a backup, just a brake light by itself. That was the difference between the 69s and the 70s. But everything else is the same. The door handles, the doors, the body panels, the mirrors, the windows, all of it's the same. But clean car, 4-speed car. Get in there, Nicholas, and crank it up. Don't mess with the shit that's already out of gear. Give it a little gas. All right. Give it some more. All right. Got the Dakota dash in it. This is a clean car right here. But yeah, I'm getting ready to put the vintage air and stuff on it. It's got V-belt pulleys on it now. I'm getting ready to put a serpentine system on it and then put vintage air under the hood on it. So welcome back to the channel. We're getting ready to take this old water pump off and stuff and get ready to put the vintage air on here. The vintage air serpentine systems, belt and pulleys and power steering pump and the AC bracket. And I'm gonna take y'all along as I take the old water pump off and stuff. So y'all stay tuned, guys. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this pump and power steering liner loose. This water pump here is coming off because the vintage air system comes with a new pump. This balancer down here is coming off, and this AC bracket, I mean the alternator bracket and all that's coming off. So we're gonna take all of this off so we can get ready to put the vintage air system on here. All right, guys, we got alternator off. power steer pump over laid over to the side, and we're gonna take the water pump off of it now, and then the bottom pulley. So let's see. Okay guys, we got it. I got everything off. And now I'm gonna clean the block up there and stuff, and get ready to start putting the serpentine system on it. So there's all the old brackets and stuff. So we're getting closer. Okay guys, I got the bottom pulley on, and they're saying screw these studs in there and then put the gasket on there and then the water pump. All right guys, I didn't want to get too far along before I finished it up, but show y'all what all I got done so far on it. I got the bottom pulley on it. I got the water pump on it. I got that top bracket there on there. And then the AC's gonna sit right here, and the power steering pump's gonna kind of sit over here. So yeah, it's coming together. Got a few more things to do on it, and then I'll probably show y'all here in a few minutes with the alternator and all on it. So, okay guys, we got everything on it. The AC, the alternator. I like just the power steering pump at the bottom, and the only reason is I got to press that pulley on the pump, and then hook my lines to it, and I'll be through with that and put the belt on it. So then the serpentine system will be on it, and then what I gotta do is take that heater box shunt out and put the Venager in it, and then tie them to the AC lines, and I'll be buttoning this one up. So there it is guys. Try to get y'all a little bit of footage on this thing. So